What's up YouTube? What's up guys? It's your girl Fatuma Wanja and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Life with Fatuma Wanja. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming. Niko na sai sijui mbona, but mumeona title, so you know what's gonna happen in this video, sindo? So I want to install my curtains. I bought new curtains. Where are you? Oh my god, I'm so happy. Like right now naona progress ya nyumba yangu. We kujaza nyumba ni kazi. Let me tell you. Niko na 2 years living alone, but we say at least naona nyumba inakaa nyumba. But I'm grateful no matter what. So let's install my curtains with you. Let me show you first the curtains. Yeah, don't mind the disco lights. Nikiwa peke yangu najibamba tu. Najibamba. Anyway, let's get it. Let me show you. So inakuja 3 pieces like the sheer and the curtains. So here's the sheer. Oh, sijui kama mtaona the light, but it's so good. Sijui yeah. Let me show you from here. See? Pretty good. Yeah, so this is the sheer, so big. Mama. Here back up. So big. And then I got like white curtains. I don't know. You see? White curtains. Cause kiti yangu si white but iko na details za gold. My chair iko goldish kidogo, so I think itaenda so well. And I have a lot of things that are ziko white, so it makes sense. Pia hii, so cause ni dirisha, I have another curtain. I nitawaonyesha. I have another curtain, but this is big. So the ini piece moja, and then I have another piece. Still big. So kama curtain inaitwaje, kama inaitwaje, kama dirisha yako ni fupi iko sawa, but my window is, I don't know what happened, video imejipause. But nilikuwa nasema like my window is big, like inakaa sexy, inakaa so good with 2 curtains. Yeah, and I have like another curtains zenye nikiingia kwa hii nyumba I bought. Yeah, new upgrade. Let me show you. Nitaka ka video hapa muone ama yeah, like my old curtains. So ninataka tutoe kwanza the old ones and then we install the new babies. I mean kila kitu nabai kwa nyumba it's my baby, cause what more. So let me show you, like nimesema nitaweka video hapa like nionyeshe the old curtains, the old ones. So let's get into this video. Nimemaliza nituje kutoa the old curtains. Acha tupanguze hizi curtain rods. This one. Wapi, I think hii ndio inafaa kukaa ndani ya nyumba. So what we will do, tutaweka hiyo. Hai. Or hivi. Hivi. Put this inside like this. Yes, like this. Sasa itakaa hivi. Look at that. Oh my god, it's so pretty, right? Sasa itakaa hivi. Oh. Okay, nice. Afu hii tutaweka tutaweka the curtains. Tutaweka the curtains. Sitaki video kuwe long. So tutaanza tu na hapa, hapo, 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 hapo. Easy way to put on a curtain. Hapo, hapo. And then we put in, oh my goodness, you won't check your holy moly. Sasa okay, side. Oh shit. And then this another curtain. And that's the end of this video. I know it's been a minute, manzika, but I won't promise like nitakuwa na post every single time. It may take time for me to post because one thing, time, like nimeshikika sana na time. Like I don't have time to create content. I feel bad, but nitakuwa narusha moja huku na kule. Hope you subscribe, like, share and comment. Yeah, like to hata kama uta comment, just give this video a thumbs up. Anyway, bye. See you in the next video.